simply sing my singing app. So let's just try it out. So here's the app, and then you can go and create your account here. So now you can just go through the things and then try to identify your vocal range, discover your voice, and just go through all of this and try to improve your singing.
Every singer has a unique vocal range. A vocal range is the range between the highest and lowest notes you can sing without straining your voice. Some singers are baritones, others have higher vocal ranges such as altos, and the highest of all ranges is soprano. What's your vocal range? Let's find out. Read this part in your natural voice.
You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. Even if we are apart, I will always be with you. If we are apart, I will always be with you. Even if we are apart, I will always be with you.
Hum the lowest note you can. Let out a cheerful woohoo in your highest voice.
Woohoo!
Imagine you are stranded on a deserted island and suddenly you see a ship passing by. You must get their attention by shouting, "Hey," 3 times as loud as you can. Before you begin, sit up straight and take a deep breath. Ready? You got this.
Hey! 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 Hey!
Sounds like you're a bass.
So that's basically how you continue with this app. It's quite addictive, and then you have your profile, and then you can go premium, 12 months, 1 month, and then yeah, that's just what you have. Then you have your account, and yeah, try it out. Pretty entertaining app.